Welcome back to Discover Agriculture. Today, we're exploring integrated cocoa farming, a smart and sustainable farming technique where cocoa is grown alongside other agricultural practices like livestock rearing, fruit trees, or even fish farming. If you're interested in learning how to increase farm productivity, reduce risks, and boost profits while maintaining ecological balance. So, what exactly is integrated cocoa farming? This approach involves growing cocoa in combination with other crops or raising livestock on the same farm. It's all about creating a symbiotic system where the different components support each other. For instance, the shade from cocoa trees can be used to grow shade-tolerant crops, while livestock provides manure for fertilizing the soil. This system not only boosts overall productivity but also helps improve soil health and biodiversity. Use the same land for multiple purposes. Manure from livestock enriches the soil. Diversified farm income from multiple sources like cocoa, fruits, and livestock. Increased biodiversity and reduced need for synthetic inputs. By combining cocoa with other activities, you create a more resilient farm ecosystem that can withstand market and environmental fluctuations. The next step is selecting the right combination of crops and livestock. Cocoa thrives in shaded environments, so intercropping with shade-tolerant crops like bananas, plantains, cassava, or even coffee works well. These crops can provide an additional income while enhancing the microclimate for the cocoa trees. As for livestock, goats, chickens, or even fish can be integrated. Goats provide manure that enriches the soil, while chickens help control pests. You can even set up fish ponds using organic waste from cocoa processing, creating a circular system. Now, let's talk about how to set up your integrated cocoa farm. Start by planning the layout. Cocoa trees should be spaced about 3 meters apart, allowing enough room for other crops to grow in between. Plant fruit trees like bananas or papayas at strategic points to provide shade and extra income. You can set up livestock pens on the edges of the farm to avoid damage to the crops. Livestock waste can be used to fertilize the soil, while crops like cassava or maize help control weeds and erosion. One of the major advantages of integrating livestock with cocoa farming is soil health management. Livestock like goats and chickens produce rich manure, which can be applied directly to your cocoa plants. This improves soil fertility and structure, reducing the need for chemical fertilizers. Moreover, organic farming practices boost cocoa yield and quality, making your cocoa more attractive to high-value markets like organic and fair trade. An integrated system can also help with pest and disease control. By diversifying your farm, you create natural barriers that limit the spread of pests. Chickens can help by eating insects, while shade trees like bananas and fruit trees create a healthier, less stressed environment for your cocoa plants. This leads to fewer diseases and pests, reducing the need for chemical pesticides. One of the biggest advantages of integrated cocoa farming is the ability to harvest multiple products. Alongside your cocoa beans, you can harvest bananas, plantains, cassava, or any other intercrops you've grown. Livestock also provides meat, eggs, or even manure that can be sold as organic fertilizer. This diversified income helps you stay profitable throughout the year, even if one product's price fluctuates. And that's integrated cocoa farming. By combining cocoa with other crops and livestock, you can create a sustainable, productive, and profitable farm. This method helps reduce risks, increases income, and maintains ecological balance. If you're ready to take your cocoa farm to the next level, consider integrating it with other farming activities. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Discover Agriculture for more innovative farming tips. Happy farming!